Okay, we move on to section 4. Algebra 1. Expansion. Change of subject. And substitution. We start with number 1. Number 1 is coming from paper 1, 2010, question 8. And it says, if you are given V equals to 40 over 3, find V when t is 12. V equals to 4. In place of t, we put 12 over 3. We use our calculator. Don't try to be sneaky. You can, but I don't encourage it. Just be sure by making use of Mr. Calc. That's why Mr. Calc is there. So you get your 16 here. And then B, make t the subject of the formula. So change of subject is very easy. We know V equals to 40 over 3. First thing, get rid of the fraction. Let me multiply by 3. Makes this 3V equals to 40. And then divide by 4. So it becomes 3V over 4. So now it is now changed of subject. So you can rewrite it and say t equals to 3v over 4. Doesn't matter which direction it's facing. We go on to number 2. Number 2 came from paper 1, 2010, question 12. We start with A. When x is negative 3, y is 2, find the value of x plus y. Negative 3 plus 2, which is negative 1. For B, y minus x equals to 2 minus x is negative 3. So it becomes 2 plus 3, which becomes 5. What about C? C says x cubed plus 2x squared, which we just take our x, negative 3, we cube it, plus 2, we take our x again, negative 3, we square it. You can use a calculator to put brackets and have a negative 3, close and cube it. This is what you get. Negative 27. And then the other one, you take 2, you put your negative 3 in brackets, you square, you get positive 18. So when you put together, you get negative 9. Negative 27 plus 18 equals to negative 9. Number 3. Number 3 comes from paper 3, 2010, question 4. We go. A says a number A is equal to 2 times the square of another number B. Represent this information as a algebraic equation. So it's English, guys. A number A equals to 2 times the square of another number B. So it's B squared. So simplified, it's A equals to 2B squared. A number is 2 times the square of another number. That's it. Given that B is positive, find the value of B when A is 18. So for B, if A is 18, we look for 2B squared. So we divide by 2, so 9 equals to B squared. We find the square root of 9 to get rid of. So it could be plus or minus 3 equals to B. But they said B is positive, so therefore B is only the positive 3, not the negative 1. If they didn't say that, we would know B could be both negative 3 and positive 3. But since they said restrict to the positive answer, we restrict to the positive answer. We come to number 4. Number 4 comes from paper 1 of 2013, question 6. Expand the following expression. So 3a, 2a minus 4b. Okay, we expand. Numbers on their own, 3 times 2 is 6. A times a, it's a to the power 2 minus 3 times 4, it's negative 12. A times b, it's ab. Since it's just expansion, it ends there. We go to number 5. Number 5 comes from paper 1, 2015, question 11. We start with A. A says factorize completely. So we have 3x squared minus 6x. So on the numbers, the common vector is 3. On the letters, we choose the smallest, which is just an x. So we'll only be left with x here. 6 divided by 3, it's 2, and then we have no x anymore. And it will be done like that because they said completely. And then we go to B. Find the value of 3x squared minus 6x when x is 3. So 3x squared minus 6x. So it will become 3 squared minus 6 times 3. 3 squared is 9 times 3, it's 27. 6 times 3, it's 18. 27 minus 18 is positive 9. Look at number 6. Number 6 comes from paper 1, 2016, question 16. They say multiply out 5x, 2x minus 3y. We multiply out numbers on their own. 5 times 2 gives us 10. X and x gives x squared. Minus 5 and 3 gives us 15. X and y gives us xy. and that is it. We come to number 7. Number 7 comes from paper 1, 2016, question 18. They said make x the subject of the formula. So you have 2x minus y equals to 5. So the first thing is to find how can we leave the things that have x on their own. So the first thing is to take the y to the right. So you have 2x equals to 5 plus y. From there, how do we remain with x only? Since 2 is multiplying x, the only way to get rid of multiplication is to divide. So you divide by 2, you will have 2x divided by 2 equals to 5 plus y divided by 2. So that remains x equals to 5 plus y over 2. You can leave it like that. So that is it for this particular topic. We meet in the next one.